Van Otis Chocolates has been making life a little sweeter since 1935. Ever since Evangeline Otis completed a candy making class at Fannie Farmer's Cooking School in Boston and opened her store right here in Manchester, Van Otis has been an essential part of the Queen City. Our chocolatiers use only the finest ingredients to make everything by hand. Whether we're creating our flagship Swiss fudge, well known for melting in your mouth as well as on your face, or painstakingly hand pouring and cutting our sticky house-made caramels, everything we do is done with love. Our recipes have been perfected over the last 85 plus years, and everything we do receives a little extra TLC. Our liquor cordials are enrobed with a sweet sugar shell, and when it's broken, the flavors of Fireball whiskey or margaritas are a celebration. The attention to detail paid by our chocolatiers is unlike any other. From the painted eyes on our chocolate molds, to the sea salt delicately sprinkled on our dark chocolate-coated caramels, to the perfect roasting of our cashews, a favorite for years. It's just what we do. We need to make sure we are giving our fans the taste they've come to expect over the last 3 generations. Making chocolate this good is a labor of love. It is the reason that Thanksgiving tables all around New England have been adorned with our chocolate turkeys for decades, and our Swiss fudge is a necessity for many Manchester households come holiday time. At Van Otis Chocolates, we're always determined to make your life a little sweeter. Thank you for allowing us to be part of your traditions since 1935.